What's going on, guys? It is raining here in Mexico. Shocker. It has been the whole time we've been here, but that's okay because guess what? We're gonna go swimming in the rain. I know I swam in the hurricane before, but now we're gonna go in the pool in the rain. Check it out. Here we diving in the rain. There you have it, guys. Swimming while it's raining. Like I said, it's kind of like being underwater without being underwater. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you've ever been swimming in the rain before.